Assalamualaikum friends. Today I will show you make bread with bread machine. So this is bread machine. So first we need to take off this pot. Here is bread making all of materials. This is water, 1 cup of water, and this is egg, this is butter, and this is bread making flour, this is oil, this is extra virgin olive oil, and this is extra flour, this is salt, and this milk, this is powder milk, and this is sugar, and this is rinse, means kismis. So we need to put it here, this pot. So first we put 1 cup of water, then we put some flour, put some sugar, put some extra flour, milk, this is oil, salt, egg, butter, to put at last we put it here yeast, then we put it the bread machine.